Question number 14. A circular flower garden has an area of 314 meters square. एक flower garden છે. Consider this flower garden. Okay. Flower garden છે જેનો એરિયા કેટલો છે 314 meter square. Next line. A sprinkler at the center of the garden can cover an area that has a radius of 12 meter. હવે ಈ ગાર્ડન ની અંદર વચ્ચોવચ સેન્ટરમાં એક સ્પ્રિંકલર રાખ્યું છે પાણી છાંટે ને ખબર છે આપણે અહીંયા ગાર્ડનમાં સ્પોર્ટ્સ ડે ના દિવસે લાયા હતા પાણી છાંટે રાઈટ that is kept in the middle of the garden flower garden whose radius is let us consider this is the sprinkler spreading the water in all the directions and it is spreading in circular region. Why I am saying so? Because its radius is given. Any radius દીધી છે right? કેટલી છે 12 meter. એની 12 meter radius છે. ક્લિયર? જે પાણી છાડશે એની દૂરી કેટલી દૂરી ઉપર જાશે પાણી એ છે 12 meter. Next. Will the sprinkler water the entire garden? હવે આ સ્પ્રિંકલર જે છે એ ગાર્ડનની વચ્ચોવચ છે. શું આ એન્ટાયર ગાર્ડનને પાણી દેશે? બરાબર આખા ગાર્ડનમાં પાણી આપશે. હવે ક્વેશ્ચન લાઈઝ એરિયા શું છે આનો રાઈટ. હવે આનો આન્સર ક્યારે આપણે દેશું? જ્યારે આનો એરિયા આપણે ફાઇન્ડ કરશું. અગર જો આનો એરિયા 314 મીટર સ્ક્વેર આવે અથવા એનાથી વધારે આવે તો જ આખા ગાર્ડનને પાણી દેશે ને નહીતર તો નહીં દે. તો હવે એ ડિપેન્ડ કોના પર કરે છે? સ્પ્રિંકલરના એરિયા ઉપર. તો વૈધું શું આપણે એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરશું સ્પ્રિંકલરનો અને સ્પ્રિંકલર કયા એરિયા આપણે કયો એરિયા ફાઇન્ડ કરશું આના માટે? એરિયા ઓફ સર્કલ રાઈટ. એરિયા ઓફ સર્કલ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ કરશું ને પાઈ આર સ્ક્વેર. તો આપણે અહીંથી શરૂઆત કરશું કે એરિયા ઓફ સ્પ્રિંકલર is equal to pi r square. Pi they have given us 3.14. Pi they have given us it is 3.14. R square means 12 into 12. Right? R is 12. So it will be 12 into 12. 3.14 into 12 size 144. You will multiply this. When you multiply this, after that you will see what is the region, what is the area. So you will multiply 314 into 144. You will skip this decimal point for instance, okay, for few minutes. 4 4s are 16, 4 1s are 4, 5, 4 3s are 12. Again with multiplying 4, so we will get the same as above. With 1 you will get 314. 6 plus 5 is 11. 5 plus 4 9. 9 plus 3 12. 1 carry 2 4 5 and 4. So we will get and the 2 decimal point. So I will place 2 decimal point over here. So the area which we got, area of sprinkler which we got, it is 452.16. Now we will write since area covered by sprinkler is more than area of flower garden. Therefore, yes, it will cover entire garden. Understood? Okay. Now, if you have any doubt, you can go. Now, question number 15. Find the circumference of inner and outer circles shown in the adjoining figure which is given in textbook. જે ટેક્સ્ટબુકમાં ફિગર આપેલું છે એ આ પ્રમાણે છે, રાઈટ. They are telling us find the circumference. Find the circumference of the inner and outer circle. What is the formula for circumference? Can anyone?
13.14.
Circumference. Formula for 2 pi r square. No. 2 pi r. Circumference is 2 pi r. So we can find circumference of outer circle directly because r is 19 meter. We will keep in formula and definitely we can find. Now what about the inner circle? Inner circle diameter is radius is this portion, right? Radius is this portion for inner circle. They have not given us. But you can see 19 minus this 10 width they have given us. We can subtract 10 from 19 and we can get the radius of inner circle, right? And pi they have given us is 3.14. So how we will write? We will write radius of the outer circle is equal to 19 meter and radius of the inner circle is equal to 19 this one 19 meter minus this portion that is of 10 meter. We will subtract. So we will get radius of inner circle is 19 minus 10 is 9 meter. Understood? Now one by one we can calculate. For inner circle circumference, right? Therefore circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Pi they have given us is 3.14. Radius is 9 meter. 9 to the is 18. So we will write 3.14 into 18. We will multiply 3.14 with 18. 8 4 is 32. 8 1 is 8 plus 3 11. 8 3 is 24. 25. 4 1 3. So 56.52 is the circumference of the inner circle. Please check the answer. 56.52 centimeter. Because it is circumference, it will be only centimeter. No, it is in meter. Sorry. So it will be meter only. Second, for outer circle, circumference is equal to pi capital R square. I am differentiating, right? Because it was inner circle, I have kept, it is area 2 pi r. Because it was inner circle, we kept r smaller. Outer circle, we kept r greater. 2 into 3.14 into radius is 19. 19 to the is 38. On multiplying, let us find 314 into 38. 8 4 is 32. 8 1 is 8 plus 3 11. 8 3 is 24. 25. 3 4 is 12. 1 carry. 3 1 is 3 and 1. 4. 3 3 is 9. So we will be getting 119.32 because 3.14, right? So this is the circumference of the bigger circle. Understood? If any doubt, please ask. Now question number 16. How many times a wheel of radius 28 cm must rotate to go 352 meter? and they are telling us take pi is equal to 22 by 7. Let me first write down pi is equal to 22 by 7 on the. Now they are telling us there is one wheel whose radius is 28 centimeter. Now it is in the because the wheel is in the shape of circle, right? Now what they are telling, how much rotation? That is what the question. No? How many times will the that wheel will rotate to cover 352 meters? Now consider this is a wheel. If it is rotating one rotation, starting from here, if it is rotating, right, it will cover some distance. When a wheel rotates, it will cover at least some distance, right? 1 meter or 2 meter it will cover. So what we will write? We will write distance covered by one rotation. And what is that rotation means to us? What is this area that is rotating? What is that area? What is this part we are talking about? Circumference. This is the circumference. I can say this is the circumference which is rotating, right? So can I say distance covered by one rotation of the wheel is equal to circumference of the circle, right? Right or wrong? So I will write here distance covered by one rotation is equal to circumference of the circle. Also one thing I forgot to tell you, that how much rotation this will take to cover 352 meters. It is rotating on this road. Let us say this is a road and it is rotating on it. In one rotation, let us say it covered this much portion. Understood? આટલો પોર્શન એ લોકોએ આ એક વ્હીલે એક વખત રોટેટ કરવામાં આટલું લીધું. તો 352 મીટર કવર કરવા માટે કેટલી વાર લેશે? 2 3 4 5 કેટલી વાર લેશે? That is the question. Understood? And for that we are finding out the distance covered by one rotation. And then we will apply unitary method. Unitary method પછી use કરશું, right? And then we will get the answer. And circumference of the circle, what is the circumference of the circle? Right now we have mentioned it is 2 pi r. 2 into pi is 22 by 7 into r is 28 centimeter. 7 ones are 7 fours are. Understood? 2 into 22 is 44. 44 into 4. We will get 4 fours are 16. 160. 160 plus 16. 176 centimeter. So for rotating one time, for rotating a wheel, if you are rotating a wheel on a road one time, you are covering 176 centimeter. See, I have already covered this 352 meter in centimeter also. If you want to convert it into centimeter, you are supposed to multiply 100 to we will get centimeter. Now can we apply unitary method for distance 176 centimeter? It takes one rotation. Understood? For 176 centimeter it takes one rotation. Therefore for distance 35200 centimeter, it will take how much rotation? Is equal to, what we will do? We will cross multiply this with 1. 35200 into 1 and this portion will come down and divide. So we will get 35,200 divided by 176. 176 ones are and 176 twos are will give me 352 and this 20 will carry out. So how much rotation we got? 200 rotations. And lastly, what we will write? We will write for covering the distance 352 meter, a wheel must rotate 200 times. Clear? Understood? So now question number 17. The minute hand of a circular clock is 15 centimeter long. How far does the tip of the minute hand move in 1 hour? Take pi is equal to 3.14. So we will consider one clock. Consider this is a clock whose minute hand, this is the minute hand, it is of 15 centimeter, right? We are supposed to find the distance covered by the tip of the hand. This is the tip of the hand. If I am covering, what shape it is covering? Circle. So can I say the distance covered by the tip of the minute hand? Tip of the minute hand is equal to circumference of the circle. Can I write? Right? So I will write like this. Here radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Right? Therefore, the distance covered by the minute hand in 1 hour is equal to, what is equal to? It is circumference of the circle. And what is circumference of the circle? If we find the circumference of the circle, we will find the distance covered by the minute hand. Understood? Formula is 2 pi r. 2 into pi, they have told us to take 3.14 into 15. 15 to is 30. So 314 into 30. We will multiply 314 with 30 with 3 first. 3 4s are 12. 3 1s are 3 plus 1 4. 3 3s are 9. And the 0 we will keep. So we will get 9,420. But don't forget to keep the 2 decimal points. So we will say that it takes 94.2 centimeters to cover the distance in 1 hour. Understood? What we will write? Therefore, the question is the minute hand will cover 94.20 centimeter in 1 hour. Understood?